The Daily English Show started on the 3rd of April 2006. On show number 2, the news was about bananas. I drew the pictures with a black pen and some crayons. Almost 1,000 shows later, I'm still using the same crayons. Dark green and black somehow went missing, and you can see yellow is a popular colour. Must be all those banana computers. And I almost never use white. What's the point in a white crayon anyway? This year I got a present for Valentine's Day.